What if you didn't have to work hard in order to make money online? Does that sound really, really cool? I think it does. And I am so excited to be able to tell you all about it in my review of the children's ebook Goldmine. Okay, you know what? Let's go ahead and take a look right now at this because you know what? I don't want to spend all that time that I usually spend sitting here giving my intro and talking about crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right.
Bart, I just said I didn't want to talk about that. Please stop interrupting me. That guy is so irritating. You know what? It's like ridiculous. But Bart, enough. Go away already. You know, it's 2024. You think that he would learn. My cat is here. She's upset also. Okay. Yeah, see, she's meowing about it. Okay, but seriously, check this out. This is Amazon, and you can see here the prices of some ebooks that are available. Okay, you can take a look here. Actually, let's go to children's ebooks. All right. Now, obviously, this Kindle Unlimited, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about the prices to buy, $5 to buy. Okay, 286, $8.99 to buy the Kindle. All right, 199. Okay, let's see what this one is. 8.99 to buy this Kindle version. Okay, all these books, people are buying them for their kids all the time. These are very, very popular things. They sell constantly. People constantly buy these things for their kids. Now, what if you didn't have to create these things? Because frankly, creating children's books takes a long time. It's a lot of work. What if you didn't have to create them yourself? Well, that's the idea behind the children's ebook Goldmine, which really is just an incredible, incredible resource. You can get 150 ready-to-use ebooks that you can sell. You can give them away, do whatever you want with them because they come with full PLR rights. But of course, and anybody who knows me knows that I will not just go ahead and tell you about a product. I do want to make sure that you are going to get real value from the product, because otherwise I am not known as the man in the hat. Neil, thank you, but you didn't need to tip your hat that way, but thank you anyway. Okay, but seriously. But seriously, anyway, but check this out. So before I show you the members area, which is really just a download page, I want to tell you about my custom bonus. So first of all, I found a new AI system that lets you create your own, choose your own adventure stories. This is really, really cool. Basically, you just follow a prompt, and it's going to let you choose different adventures depending on what prompt you choose. It'll give you other things. So you can actually put together your own, choose your own adventure stories. In addition to that, I also found another AI that will create children's books just based on a prompt, to the same way as you do on ChatGPT, except this is specialized just for books. Now, of course, I don't want to just give you that. I'm also going to give you more. So I've also got a whole bunch of Instagram-ready quotes and videos that you can go ahead and use to be able to drive traffic from Instagram. In addition to that, I'm also going to show you my guide to membership sites in under an hour. Why is this so important? Because what if you could offer people a membership for children's books, or for that matter, anything else? But this is because it's the children's books. But let's talk about children's books. You can offer them a membership for children's books. Just imagine how much money you can make if you charge people 10, 20 bucks a month, and they have unlimited access to all of your children's ebooks for their kids. You can dribble them out like 10, 20 a month, you know, and keep adding more and more and more. You would have a membership that's paying you every month to be able to access more books for their kids. That would be incredible. And this is going to show you how to do it in under an hour. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I've also got my course on the Mid-Journey Killer, which actually I used to create a new version of my logo that actually is Man in the Hat, but with people wearing with a bunch of different types of hats in the text. But of course, I still want you to have more things to do. So I'm also going to show you a way to actually take all the ebook covers that were created for this package, because there's 150 ebook covers that come with it. And you can go ahead and turn around and sell these things on 25 plus brand new websites I found to sell artwork on. Okay, nobody else has this list because it is exclusive to me, and this is going to allow you to make more money by just selling the ebook covers. Now, of course, that's not still not done yet. I also have another course. I'm going to show you how to use a brand new website that I found, which will turn stick figures into actual drawings. And of course, I'm not done yet still, because I know that some people are going to want to sell on Kindle. That's fine. But what if you don't have to just rely on Kindle? What if you have another dozen websites to go ahead and sell ebooks on? I'm going to give you that as well. All of that is going to be my custom bonus to you when you pick up this package. So let's check out the members area really, really quick over here. Okay, right here, it's basically just a download page. So you download it. You can see here all the different titles that are going to be included with the covers. So you can be able to get all of these things included for you. Really, really cool stuff. Something that every entrepreneur needs to have.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yeah, thank you, Liz. But no, you didn't have to come in and talk about me. But it's so nice of you to say that I am a successful entrepreneur. I really appreciate it. It's really, really cool. Anyway, but seriously, let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
Tip of the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, okay. Use tip of the hat. This one is cool. I love it. Grab this. Get this. This is worth picking up.